Welcome to the Lydian world, the blockchain game where you can earn, learn, and have fun. 2022, the world has changed, the internet changed, and the rise of the blockchain changed the entire industry and forced us to rethink. Blockchain gaming became the day-to-day opportunity to generate income. Some chase the mining, while others are doing the trading. The pursuit of our unlimited incoming resources has begun. Whatever it takes, leaving behind the unknown and embracing the new technology, the new era, the Lydian world. Here, the unlimited income resources are waiting to be claimed, but not without our engagement. We are the driving force of the Lydian world. We are the Lydians. The strategy is entirely in our hands, and we can choose which citizenship to get in order to build a future for our beloved ones. Passionate about mining or in need of a crypto-friendly credit card, a highly active trader who needs extra guidance, a developer who wants to promote his project, or a society-educated gamer who aims to make profits out of his own NFT shop and enjoys the time gaps with the Telegram trivia. You are connecting to the Lydian world incoming resources. Every single action of more than already 350,000 citizens is distributing rewards into Lydian world. Every time a card is swiped, every time an NFT transfer is completed, while you play, even while you sleep, Lydian world rewards you. It continues with a new vision, but do you know what marks the success? Perseverance, imagining the unimagined, and above all, possessing your own piece of virtual land to transform a grand idea into a grand reality. Pick a land. Press a button. Up you go. Behold your decentralized property, built to stand the test of time. Open your own business and share it with the others. From outwards to the city center area, until zone by zone, the city is taken over by its citizens. Multiple digital businesses rise alongside. A new era of luxury, shopping arcades, medical offices. Throw open their doors to an unlimited era, the blockchain. But something is missing. The design of your building is a way to define your own business, where you can approach your own digital architect. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. After all, with the power to create and trade, whoever holds the land NFT shapes the city forever. So, what is your vision?
Встретились 21 декабря 2019 года. driver agreed to be here tonight with us. Let's go. Party is going on.
Good afternoon, Stockholm. I am so much excited.
Welcome to this magic island.
Introducing our revolutionary new blockchain that combines the power of data storage, telecommunication, real estate, and finance into one seamless platform. The ultimate avalanche fork, developed to be faster, more secure, and more versatile than ever before. Our innovative technology allows users to easily create and manage smart contracts, participate in decentralized businesses, and take advantage of a truly decentralized ecosystem. With our blockchain, anyone can create and manage their own smart contracts, making it easy to build and deploy tailor-made solutions for businesses and individuals. Plus, users are rewarded for generating transactions, incentivizing engagement, and creating a thriving, interconnected network.
All right, greetings everyone. Good morning, wherever you may be tuning in from. This is your brother Fard MacD, CEO of Founder Fard Money Network and New Millennium Bankers family, and we're here with another brand new episode of Crypto Mornings, and we got some great information for you today. Before we get started, make sure you go subscribe to our YouTube channel, Fard Money Network. Make sure you follow us on all social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of that. Make sure you subscribe, follow us everywhere as we continue to bring you this education and continue to bring you this information that you can use so you can see where the world is going and what's going on in the markets, not just the crypto markets, but the markets together, all together. So today, what we're going to be talking about, tokenized real world assets are bringing new yield opportunities to DeFi. Now, tokenizing something, meaning put it in on the blockchain as a token to be transferred of the ownership as a token, like how we do crypto. It's kind of like making it a crypto. And we're talking about bringing real world assets to it. DeFi is decentralized finance. Our topic yesterday, well, that was like last Friday or something. Friday had something to do with DeFi. We went into DeFi and how the government was trying to say, or the United States Treasury was trying to say something that was wrong with DeFi. DeFi stands for decentralized finance, and that yield meaning a return on these assets. That's what yield means. All right, so we're going to get into that. This is groundbreaking news. Very important that we hear this. But let's go and take a look at the cryptocurrency market. Before we do that, in the cryptocurrency market is down because new information is coming out revolving Binance. So Binance is causing this downturn. I'm not going to say Binance is causing it, but they got some major conflict going on with the SEC. Binance. Now, remember, family, the SEC cannot shut Binance down. They probably could shut it down in the United States, but they cannot shut it down worldwide. They cannot take Binance cryptos off of their blockchain because Binance does have a blockchain, Binance Smart Chain. But later on this week, as we gather more information on what's going on with CZ and Binance and the SEC, we will break out this information. We will have one of these coming within the next couple of days, Thursday or Friday, because tomorrow we have a corporate meeting at 10 o'clock, so we will not be here live But Thursday and Friday, we will be back. So one of those days, we will break out the information out of the article revolving Binance CZ, the founder of Binance, in the SEC. But that's what's causing the cryptocurrency market downturn right now. All right, so the cryptocurrency market cap is still trading over $1 trillion, but it has dropped below 1.1 trillion. It's now at 1,087 billion. It is down nearly 4% over the last day. Bitcoin was just at 25,000, but it's back up to $26,039.76. Bitcoin the last day is down 2.73%. Last 7 days is down 6.5%. Ethereum is trading at $1,834 per coin. In the last 24 hours, Ethereum is down 1.71%. In the last 7 days, Ethereum is down nearly 4%. And then we have Binance. Binance has dropped below $300, now trading at $279.89. Over the last 24 hours, Binance is down 6.68%. Over the last 7 days, it's down 10.5%. This is what's causing this to happen. Now, that's what's going on with Binance. Like we say, Thursday, Friday, we will break out that information, but we're going to wait till we gather more information about it. Okay, the G9999 coin is down 1.47% right now, but it's up traded against Bitcoin at 1.5%, and it's up nearly 50% against Ethereum. So that's what's going on with the G999 coin. Now let's go ahead and get to our topic today. And like I said, this is coming from, this article was released by Forbes. And this is what it says. So this article comes from Forbes Digital Assets. Forbes Digital Assets. Okay, this was just released back in March. Tokenized real-world assets are bringing new yield opportunities to DeFi. Now, this is very vital, and I found this amazing to do this because we are one of the first blockchain-based companies, institutions, to put tokenized real estate into the hands of the average person. Now, I want y'all to listen carefully on about the price points to be able to do what's happening. And we want to compare that to what we was doing, because y'all remember, well, over a year ago now, we was pushing, and we had an opportunity for you to get ownership rights over the blockchain, tokenized, of a luxury hotel in Dubai. Y'all remember that, right? How many of us remember that? Right? How many of us remember that? We remember that, right? Hold on. This thing keep. Hold on, family. 1 second, because this here keeps coming up. All right. I think they stopped it. Did they stop it? No, it didn't. Baby, how you say you stopped this? Oh, yeah. All right. So now it's done. Okay. That was just to stop these notifications coming out of my Telegram. I apologize for that. Okay. So we want to show you the connection and show you when these other opportunities come out, you're going to have a bag. You're going to have a lot of money to participate. So they ain't just rolling out, because we was not the first to tokenize real estate, but we was the first one to do it in Dubai, and we gave person the opportunity to do it with just $10, well, $100. You could have got you some. Well, other ones, they 20,000, 25,000, 50,000 to even get in. All right. So let's check it out. Over the last few months, traditional funds and asset insurers have launched programs to tokenize alternative assets. Via public crypto networks. Recent asset insurance have renewed interest in bringing real-world assets, RWAs, on-chain and galvanize new opportunity for yield generation within decentralized finance DeFi. Private equity firm Hamilton Lane partnered with Tokenized, a digital asset insurance platform, to tokenize a portion of its $2.1 billion flagship equity fund on the Polygon network. The fund requires a minimum, listen, the fund requires a minimum investment of $20,000, far below the typical minimum buy-in of $5 million for private equity investors. Y'all hear this? See, this is why a lot of us don't do investments and don't know anything about it. And this is when GS Partners comes in and has something for everybody. Because how many of y'all got 20,000 minimum to get into something? And then if you were doing the real private equities, they talking about 5 million to get into it. Woohoo. Hamilton Lane is one of the largest private equity managers, having invested over $37 billion in private markets in 2021. It manages $824 billion of assets. Similarly, the Monetary Authority of Singapore announced Project Guardian, a pilot program to tokenize bonds and deposits that can be used in various DeFi strategies. A bank participating in the program would be able to tokenize bonds and deposits that could be used within permission liquidity pools. This capital could be lent out on DeFi applications such as Aid and Compound to earn interest, or serve as collateral to access credit. The pilot has enlisted JP Morgan, DBS Bank, and MarketNode as initial partners. Since the first DeFi protocol began gaining traction in 2020, they have been a driving force in attracting users and traders to the crypto space. Experimentation within DeFi delivered innovative financial applications such as decentralized automated market makers, stablecoins, lending, insurance, swaps, synthetic assets, and derivatives. Now we're going to stop right there. For now because I got to go and get this video and show y'all how the United States Treasury said DeFi was a bad thing. Said it was a threat to national security. So I want you to go back and play that video. Go back and go over that video so we can see that what's really happening. We can see that tokenized tokenized assets out of blockchain is good. DeFi is good. But why do the government saying it is not good? So let's go back to that just to show you where you can get it from. So all you got to do is go to Forward Money YouTube channel right here. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, now the video is right here. Was streamed 3 days ago. So we just did this on Friday. All right. So United States Treasury, here it is right here. This is the video here. United States Treasury reports warns of DeFi threat to national security. Now, this is a new topic, a new article that just came out of the United States Treasury. But we're seeing that a lot of things can be tokenized and used over the blockchain, private equity, bonds, all of this stuff here, that is allowing for not just big investors to get in it, because you're a big investor if you got to come with 5 million to get in private equities, right? But the blockchain is breaking that down because you can tokenize it and you can sell portions of a bond. You can sell portions of an equity. You don't have to sell the whole equity because you tokenize it. Oh man, this is deep. So I will please go back and watch that video, family, on our YouTube channel. So I just wanted to show that And it's just get us to understand that, listen, regardless on how we feel about the government of the United States, they do not care about us winning. They don't care if we stay in poverty. They don't care anything about that. All right, so where we stopped at? Okay, total value lock, TVL, within DeFi applications, loosely translated as the amount of capital under management, skyrocketed to a peak of $248 billion in December of 2021 as asset prices rose and new users engaged. TVL has been bolstered by liquidity mining programs in which protocol bootstrap growth by temporarily juicing yields, offering users token rewards of the protocol's native tokens, i.e., compound rewards lender with comp tokens. These returns were unsustainable as token prices fell and general interest in crypto waned during the 2022 bear market. The historical lending rates of the stablecoin USDC peaked in December of 2020 at 18% on AVE and 8% for compound. And these yields have respectively declined to 0.75% and 1.62% today. Now, family, AVE, to my understanding, this AVE, that is abbreviation for avalanche. I think so. I could be wrong, but I think that is that, because Avalanche is one of the strongest decentralized blockchains with DeFi I know of. Now, that is the blockchain that we are leveraging to fork and produce smart contracts that's going to be connected to the G999 blockchain. Yeah. Now, I could be wrong, but I can go back to CoinMarketCap to see. I can go back to CoinMarketCap to see, to make sure what's happening. So let me see. AVE, okay. Explore. Oh, that might don't be it then. That might don't be. I think it is though. If I ain't mistaken. It's open source protocol to create non-custodian liquidity. AVE governance. Oh man, hold on. Yeah, I think this is, family. So I think this is. Hold on, let me see. AVE. Avalanche is there. Well, it's not abbreviation for Avalanche, but on there, AVE is connected to Avalanche. So they are connected to Avalanche. Avalanche fast and cheaper transaction, earn rewards, and Avalanche has a coin, but that AVE is not it. But I knew it was a correlation. But anyway, let's get back to the article. This is some good stuff, family. All right. So let's look at this graph. We can see compound APY 1.62%. With the first year, with the 1 year United States Treasury bond yielding about 5%, investors have flocked to the safety of government paper. Wow. Treasury yields have exploded as the Federal Reserve abandoned its zero interest rate policy, with the 1 year note up from its yield of 0.3 in December of 2021. At the risk-free interest rate and traditional finance rose as the the risk-free interest rate and traditional finance rose and DeFi yields decreased, investor participation in the latter has dwindled substantially in recent months, with TVL declining 73% from its December the 2021 high to $66 billion to date. In order to attract fresh capital, DeFi protocols are starting to embrace RWAs as a source of collateral, offer new investment opportunities, providing more consistent returns for investors. RWAs is real-world assets. The tokenization of real-world assets such as real estate, commodities, private equities, and credit, bonds, and art is a concept that has been quietly correlating since 2018, formerly referred to as security tokens, or tokenized securities. Tokenized RWAs take advantage of blockchain technology to bring traditional assets on chain. Tokenizing RWA offers tangible benefits, including lower investment minimums and increased access through fractional ownership, increased trading of previously illiquid assets, enhanced transparency and security as the blockchain records an immutable record of transaction history, and automated ownership management and compliance. Keynote: tokenized RWAs benefit DeFi by allowing it to serve businesses and customers who are not crypto native. DeFi lending is capped as long as we are only accept Bitcoin or Ethereum as collateral. Being able to accept tokenized real estate or security over the property of a company reduces the risk for crypto lenders and investors because it makes it possible for businesses in the real world to use DeFi. Sidney Powell, CEO and co-founder Mabel Finance. Key stat: when agitating 7 of the largest RWA private credit blockchain protocols, historical loan values equals $4.2 billion and active loans stand at $456 million. These protocols use DeFi to provide loans to businesses and include Mabel, Goldfinch Credit, TrueFit, Clearport, and Ribbonland. They offer an average APR of 12.63%. So family, so what's happening here is, and this is on Forbes, as you got Forbes, you can get this, but what's happening is that the world is coming to the blockchain. Everything is going digital. Everything is going tokenized. Why? Because this is a way for everybody to have be on the even playing field. The blockchain makes everything equal, makes everybody equal when it comes to this, because we dealing in traditional real estate, private equity, stocks, and stuff like that. How many of us got just $5 million laying around just say, I want to go into some bonds and get a 5% yield over the year, right? How many of us could say, I want to, I was talking to some realtors, developers in Dubai, right? Matter of fact, they've been bugging and spamming the hell out of me, right? But I contacted them because they got new properties in Dubai that's going up for sale that you can invest in early. What you think their minimum investment is? $850,000 just to get you. That's the minimum. $850,000. They told me the minimum just to get me a potential 10% yield in a year, yearly, 10%. So that means for me to make $85,000 out a year, I gotta put up $850,000. I gotta risk that. Now that's a risk. Because the project can go sideways, they can run off, whatever, right? But the blockchain is breaking it down and simplifying it. And that's what Gold Standard Bank comes in, family. That's where we come in. So, family, we'll be right back. But check out this quick commercial as we show you why GS Partners is not just leading this wave, but we are ahead of everybody. Why? Because we already had tokenized real estate. I just read this article with y'all. Listen, I did not pre-read this article. I just said what this article said about the minimums, about how DeFi and putting things on the blockchain can allow for fractional ownership. I just said that before I even got here. I did not pre-read and scan this article. That lets you know how far ahead we are, and that'll let you know how far ahead you are if you continue to plug into Forward Money Network and you become, don't just plug in, become a new millennium banker and change the trajectory of your wealth for generations and generations to come. So with that being said, family, check out this quick commercial, and then we'll be right back. But we're going to go to GS Partners. That's where all the magic is. Check it out.
I am very proud on all of you to join this. You can imagine 10-year anniversary. You can be proud to be a part of it, because I am very proud as your chairman of the board.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have from now a world without boundaries. The lands are opening everywhere.
Now, all right. So now we come to the GS Partners platform. Yes, we are now opening up accounts with Swiss Valorian Bank. I'm one of the first people to be able to open up an account. My account is already open. And tomorrow, like I said, as promised, we always see the difference with us compared to everybody else. We got real transparency, right? Where we connect and we hear from the chairman of the board, the blockchain developer, the software developer, the CTO, Ms. Alexander Coachendo. We really literally every week meet with the corporate trainer. He right in there in Dubai, with them. And he bringing us this. So now tomorrow at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, as I said, we will not have Crypto Mornings because we're going to be here live with Mr. Bruce Hughes, the corporate trainer. And this call is hosting the advisory team that oversees the renewables, fintech, and real estate portfolios, sharing their 3 to 4 decades of experience, structuring goals to make these portfolios sustainable. Don't miss it, family. So you want to come, whether you new, whether you not even in GS Partners, if this you need more exposure, you need to see more of the ones behind the scenes, the ones who making this happen and how we're able to do what we do, then you need to be on this call tomorrow. You feel me? Because we're hosting, Bruce Hughes is hosting the advisory team that oversees our renewable companies, fintech, and real estate portfolios, real estate blockfolios. And they have 3 to 4 decades of experience. And they're going to show that. So in GS Partners, this is all where all the magic happens at. Now we was talking about, for small, not just small investors, or small minimum wage people, low income countries and low income people around the world. Now in GS Partners, they have a chance to take advantage of these multiple markets or these multiple sectors over the blockchain. Remember, we tokenized. We just come out of a tokenized thing. Tokenized article released by Forbes talking about tokenization in DeFi. Now, in GS Partners, you can sign up for free You can deposit 7 different cryptos, and you can come and put that cryptocurrency to work. Starting with our Terra certificate for the ones that just want to tiptoe, for the ones that want to just stand by the pool, not even put your foot in. You just want to stand by the pool. Where we have Terra certificate $100 price. We have a light certificate $250 USDT. These are crypto prices. I'm saying we don't have dollars over here. We have crypto, but I'm just saying that so you can understand. We have 100 USDT certificate. We have 250 USDT. Now listen. Oh my goodness. In these certificates, you can load additional funds into fintech and get a payback reward percentage of 5% per week for 1 year. You also get a 1.5% payback reward monthly for 2 years. Now, this is ran by Swiss Value. This is who oversees this. They're going to be on the platform tomorrow. So you want to hear from them. You have renewables. This is also ran by Swiss Value. They're going to be on the platform tomorrow. So you can add an additional 100 USDT and you can get 4% weekly payback rewards from renewables for 1 year also. And you will also get 1.5% payback rewards for 30 months. And this the Terra, so that's just $300. And you are getting 9% a week. Just for $300, you're getting 9% a week. If you just got $200, you're getting 5% a week. 9% a week, family, is 36% per month. 36% per month. 5% a week is 20% per month. Then you can also go into the real estate market. This is tokenized real estate, digital real estate, all of that, right? You can go into that without a contract. Well, this is your contract right here. Well, this is another additional 100 USDT. Now you end the certificate with 400. And now you're getting 12.5% weekly payback rewards for 52 weeks, 1 whole solid year. You're going to get paid 12.5% if you do that. Then we also have Meta Portfolio. You also get paid weekly there. Meta Portfolio will tack on another 2.5% per week. This is what 500 USDT could get you. Could get you 15% on 100 per week. There's about 15 USDT liquid income, passive income that you would get, and you will also get paid monthly from fintech, renewables, and real estate, and get paid quarterly from Meta Portfolio. Now that's just some simple things right there. Just no different from when we had tokenized real estate. We was able to get the tokenized real estate starting at $100. Starting at $100, family. We was able to get that. So you can see. Now you want to go higher. You want to stick your foot in the water. Get your water certificate. That's 1,000. If you want to go higher than that, if you want to stick your whole leg in the water, get your nature. You want to stick half of your body in the water, get you a wind certificate. You right? You want to stick. You want to stick your whole, like, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and get in. Really get in the water, then get you a 5 certificate or above, family. But we got something for everybody because we got a lot of skeptical people. Like, we talk to people all the time. Well, this is working. We're just telling you what's working. But people say all the time, I don't believe it. They're not going to be able to keep this up. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, if you feel like that, based on the person that bring it to you, right? Get in with 500 USDT. Get in with 1,000. Get in with 5,000. Whatever. You know what I'm saying? If you don't feel like you want to go hard, you know what I'm saying? Do that. Why? Because you have your money in somebody's bank that ain't giving you nothing. They ain't even promising you give you nothing, and you still have that money in there. And they are taking your money and leveraging it out at 10 to 15% on average and giving you 0.01%. So this is not convincing. This is just showing you a clean glass and then the dirty glass. Central banks are dirty. We know all about that. We got many history about it, but how many of us have shut down a bank account because of the articles and the scandals that come out of JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo? Well, Lord have mercy, Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo shouldn't have one customer with all the scandals they got. They should be shut down. All their branches should be shut down all across the board. They got more scandals than anybody. But y'all know Wells Fargo is connected to Bank of America and JP Morgan Chase. We already know this. And they all are connected to the Federal Reserve. So, with that being said, family, we want to thank y'all for tuning in, man. We just showing the plan, man. It's up to you. You want to change the trajectory of your life and your generations? Are you tired of working? Find a way to put some money to sleep. What did Warren Buffett say? Find a way to make money while you sleep. Or you will work till you die. Well, brother, are you making money while you sleep? Well, of course. Well, of course. This is the networking side. We didn't even talk about the certificates I have. Look at the networking side. 35 minutes ago, 36 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, getting paid. 2 hours ago, 2 hours ago, 2 hours ago. Oh, 2 hours ago, it's hot. 8 hours ago, 8 hours ago, 8 hours, 9 hours ago. Yes, I was asleep 9 hours ago. See? This just goes on all day. 11 hours ago, 11 hours ago, 11 hours ago, 11 hours ago. Oh, that was hot, that 11 hours. You feel me? This is getting paid in your sleep 11 hours ago. Ooh, that hour was hot. Like how many times get paid in that hour? That hour was hot, family. 11 hours ago, ooh, got paid a bunch of times. 12 hours ago, family. So find a way to get paid in your sleep so you don't have to work so hard. 13 hours ago, 13 hours ago, 13 hours ago. That was a hot hour. 13 hours ago, 13 hours ago, 13 hours ago. Listen, family, find a way to get paid while you sleep. Find a way. Find you a system. This is why we bringing to you this. We bringing you a system. We bringing you a system, family. Find a way to make money while you sleep. Start you an international blockchain business only offered by Gold Standard Bank. So with that being said, family, thank y'all for tuning in. We will see y'all Thursday morning for a brand new crypto morning. Don't forget about the Future Money Show this Saturday with my mentor, with my brother, 7-figure income earning GS Partners, Globe Ambassador, CEO of Team Freedom, Mr. Kevin 2X. He will be with us tomorrow. So family, please be here with us. So with that being said, family, see y'all Thursday morning. See you in the morning. Be on that corporate call with GSB. You will get the link. I'll text somebody so you can get the link if you're not in. We out of here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 let's go.
This is the real deal. This is by far the place that you want to be. When you hear Let's Go Weekend again, Let's Go Weekend 12, you need to be here. Because you're going to learn everything you need to learn about how to take your assets and put them to work as well as build your business.
Dr. Tigers, it's a
Yes, sir. Yes.